Good morning. Today is Saturday and our company is currently doing our annual physical examination from 8 to 4 p.m. It's already 9, so I should probably get going para matapos na kaagad because I'm also going to be doing preparations for a late Valentine's Day with my girlfriend because yesterday was the 14th. We had work, so didn't have time to spend Valentine's Day together. But we're gonna be doing a date on Sunday, so I have till today to finish all my preparations. Alright, let's go. So nakapag-book na ako ng Move-It ko. Ayun, kasi medyo malayo yung diagnostic center sa bahay ko. Medyo mahal lang din. Ayun nga, kasi malayo. Pero I think reimbursable naman to sa company. So okay lang. So I'm also using the Osmo 3's face tracking feature para lang ma-explore. Ayun. So habang nagsasalita ako in my room, the camera can still track me and still keep me in frame. So yun, habang nag-yap ako sa kwarto ko, sinusundan pa rin ako ng camera, di ba? Okay, so nandito na yung Move-It ko. I'll see you guys later after I'm done with the APE. Wala naman kami masyado gagawin. It's just CVC, X-ray, urinalysis, and then physical examination. After that, I'll probably have lunch muna before I go to a mall, and then we'll see kung ano pwede natin bilhin for Valentine's Day. So, just finished with the APE. It's now exactly 11 a.m. Hindi naman siya super tagal. Actually, mabilis lang siya. Matagal lang yung urinalysis kasi hindi ako naiihi kapag nasa diagnostic center talaga ako. Pero yung CBC, yung X-ray, yung physical exam, mabilis lang naman talaga. So, ngayon, nasa Makati ako ngayon, office area namin. Usually, di naman talaga ako nakakapag-vlog kapag may work kasi 1 hour lang yung lunch break namin. Eh, syempre, bibili pa ako ng mga pagkain namin. Actually, meron ako gusto itry. So, yan, dito muna kayo. Tapos, may nakatrack naman. Yan. Eh, usually, malayo yung mic. Ama kung nakatingin pa ba to sa akin, hindi eh. Pero, dapat, usually, kapag ganito kalayo, dapat rinig nyo pa rin ako. Oh, natakot ako baka. Baka bigla kayong nakawin. Di pa ako fully paid dyan sa Osmo niya. So ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa tatlong mall. Visit tayo sa... oh my God, matibay ah. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa tatlong mall. We're gonna be visiting Landmark, Greenbelt, and SM. Tingnan natin kung ano pwede natin bilhin in preparation for Valentine's Day. Usually, kapag naglalakad ako dito from work sa gabi, or kapag may lunch break, lagi ako may nakikitang mga aso dito, especially yung beagle tsaka yung poodle na laging dumadaan dito. Nakatira lang naman sila nearby. Pero every time na magla-lunch break, nakikita ko sila na nagwo-walking. Tapos, wala, parang cute lang. Ang dami rin talagang mga aso dito na naglalakad sa area namin. So, I just passed by the office a while ago. Not sure if pwede ko ipakita sa inyo where I work for obvious reasons, pero ayun. I do work at a travel agency here in the Makati area. Closed siya today, Saturday, kasi we don't have weekend office. So, sa Monday na ulit ako papasok. So, ganito lang pala yung area namin kapag sa Saturday. Lahat sarado, walang tao. I mean, hindi naman sa walang tao. May onti pa rin namang tao. Tapos, maingay na construction. So, ito yung everyday commute ko kapag umuwi ako from work. Lagi ko natadaanan yung Greenbelt, yung Landmark, yung SM. So, sabi ko, if magpapa-physical exam naman sila sa Makati area na malapit din dito sa work, edi, bisitahin ko na yung mga mall. Tingnan ko na kung ano mga pwede kong bilhin. And, ngayon ko lang na-realize na wala pala akong proof na nag-APE talaga ako kasi tinanggal ko na yung cotton bud nung kinuhanan ako ng dugo kasi hindi ko makapit yung tape. So, yan yung braso na kinuhanan ng dugo, pero ayun, wala naman ang proof. Wala lang. Ayoko lang kasi kapag tinutusukan ako ng karayom, like, masakitin kasi akong bata dati. So, lagi ako nasa hospital, lagi akong tinutusukan for CBC, for blood test. Then, kahit gaano pa karami beses ako tinusok, di pa rin ako sanay. Hindi ko tinitingnan yung needle kapag itutusok na sa kamay ko. Ay, hindi pala sa kamay, sa braso. Sakit naman nung kapag sa kamay. Ayun, it just doesn't get any easier to look at or nalilesen yung pain kapag kinukuhanan ka ng dugo. And ayoko siya. Just arrived at the first mall dito sa Greenbelt. Pero feel ko wala naman kasi ako mabibili dito. Kasi puro branded. Ang gusto ko lang naman sana bilhin is yung siguro mga balloons or like decorations. So wala atang mga ganun dito sa Greenbelt. Siguro sa sa Landmark or sa SM we'll have better luck. Pero may flower shop sa harap ko actually right now. Pero sabi kasi ni Hana na while okay naman din yung flowers, maalagaan naman siya sa mga flowers na binigay ko sa kanya before. Medyo ayaw niya na ng real flowers kasi eventually mag-wilt din siya. Yung first ever bouquet na binigay ko sa kanya na roses, pinapress niya para, wala lang, for memory purposes. Para, to last a lifetime siguro. Basta para siyang nakalaminate, ganun na. Tapos, ayun, every Valentine's, binibigyan ko siya ng flowers. Pero syempre, mag-wilt din siya. So, sabi niya sa akin, maybe okay yung flowers din na hindi real para hindi sila na mag-wilt. So, actually, yung suggestion niya nga, money bouquet Pero, kasi naman na may pera akong ganun. So, ayun. We'll see. Pwede ko naman balikan din yung flower shop na to. Pero we'll check muna the other malls if may iba pa akong pwede na bilhin. Like, siguro, Lego flowers. I mean, mas mahal pa nga yun Or, basta, we'll see na lang. Okay, so ayun. Chinek ko yung presyo ng mga bouquet na binibenta nila dun sa flower shop sa harap ko. Yung pinakamura nila is 4K up to 12K. So, di naman sa over budget tayo. Pero wala na akong pera. Guys, treat your girl right. Buy her some flowers. Pero yung kaya niya naman, that fits within your budget. Figure hindi ko na siya mapabalikan kasi wala naman talaga pera pambili ng ganung kamahal na bulaklak. Yes, bouquets are that expensive din naman talaga. Dati kong binibili kay Hana mga 2K, 3K. So, expect na ganun din or higher yung presyo ng mga bouquets kung bibili kayo. So yun, nasa Landmark na tayo. Let's see kung pwede natin mabili yun. So I just got back home and it's currently 2 p.m. right now. I had lunch at the mall. I saw this place called Sukiya. My girlfriend and I actually went there already last time. She recommended it to me because it's like the #1 gyudon place in Japan. So that's where I had my lunch. And then I proceeded to buy everything. Well, not everything, but everything that I could think of that I could use to make my preparations. So this is just a red cartolina from National Bookstore. I was thinking of buying colored paper, but it was too expensive. This is wrapping paper. And then I also saw this rose. It's not a real rose, but this is made out of pastilla. I bought a greeting card. And then finally, I just bought the Pocky because you can't have Valentine's without chocolate. Or I mean, hindi naman siya chocolate, pero still, sweets. Okay, so yun lang yung nabili ko. I have no idea what I can make from these, pero I'll probably figure something out. Oras na para manood sa TikTok for ideas. And I mean, I got everything for probably less than 300 pesos. You don't really have to spend all that much. I mean, sure, you can spend a little more plan out a date at a fancy restaurant, eat fancy food. Not everybody can afford that, so long as your significant other, appreciates the effort that you're doing into making Valentine's Day feel special, I think that's enough. So this is the progress so far. I just took the greeting card and I made a little cut here. I mean, now it kind of looks bad because may cut dito. Pero, I mean, mukha naman siyang okay, di ba? Like, I made it into like a flower box. And then I just drew some cats. Then I cut some hearts. And then this is from TikTok. So I just copied. So it opens up like this. And then, yeah. So that's one side done. I'm probably just gonna put my Valentine's Day letter here. And then just add a bit more decorations. So unfortunately, I was not able to print out any of our pictures because wala nang ink yung printer namin. So instead, I decided to just make a special drawing instead. And I'm so glad that I took up drawing as a hobby because now I'm able to make something like this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So this is what I drew for about 30 minutes or so. So instead of our picture that I'm gonna be pasting on the greeting card, I'm just gonna keep it as is. I added a few more decorations to it and the message. Then this is just gonna be something extra. I'm probably gonna be adding the time-lapse video of me drawing this in real time. So yeah, that concludes my preparations for our date tomorrow. So yeah, I think I've done everything that I can for the day. Hopefully she likes it. And yeah, good morning. It is now Sunday and time for my date. I'm actually running late, so we need to go now. Made it. Thank you, baby. Long overdue upgrade. Tapos dito.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Actually, dapat pa to eh.
May
Anniversary pa to eh. Kaso, sige, Valentine's na lang. Para maaga na. Iba na lang yung sa...
You should open.
Wow! Wow! Totoo ah! Your turn.